ng NCAA.
And we are loving the vibes as this is collegiate basketball at its best. Big day for the NCAA as this is the first time that teams from different groups will be colliding. Mamaya, 2:30 p.m. Perpetual versus Letran in what should be a slam bang affair. Quahao.
Shot clock at 12 seconds.
Medyo tahimik si Quahao dito sa ilang quarters na. Medyo hindi pa siya nagpapakilala.
Quahao overshoots that one. Hinahanap pa rin ang kanyang unang 3 puntos.
Holding foul, number 94, Justin Lozano. That's his third personal one on the Heavy Bombers.
That's going to be 2 free throws for Christian Richo as he was found by Quahao on the cut.
Smart move coming from Richo. Imagine, alam niya na to. Nakita niya na nandun na yung mga kamay. Dinikit niya na lang. Sigurado, free throw na yan.
Shooting 2 free throws, Christian Richo.
Duque. Lozano. Lozano to Duque. Hand off to Salvador. And interception by Junior Delarama. And Castor is able to get that shot to trickle in.
Power talaga. Lakas talaga yung Castor. You really have to locate this guy.
First personal foul number 3. Substitution, Viento for Justin Lozano. Bonus free throw for Neil Castor.
Castor for the bonus. All right, let's try to find out what the teams talked about at the dugout. Pakinggan natin si Christine San Agustin.
Anton and Coach Jerry, the San Sebastian dugout was intense during the halftime huddle as Coach Rob Labagal expressed his frustration to the team by saying, bakit kayo biglang tumigil sa paggawa ng tama at hindi ninyo dapat nililihis kung ano ang sinasabi ng coaches, especially if that is what made you strong in the first place. At the end of the huddle, Coach Rob reminded the team na hindi naman mahalaga kung dumating sa punto na tagdadalawang points lang ang bawat players nila. Ang mahalaga, everyone collectively struggled to get this much needed win. All for now, Anton and Coach Jerry.
Nakakapagtaka nga naman, di ba? After that 16-point first quarter, you're limited to just 7 points in the second period. So it's clear why Coach Rob had that kind of a message para sa kanyang mga student athletes.
Yeah, agree ako dyan. Siyempre, baka naman yung second group niya hindi ready. Sometimes kasi second group, baka naman instead of, preserving the lead or baka siguro lakihan mo, dalawa yun eh. Hindi pwedeng bumaba dapat ang energy ng yung coming off the bench. You have to be ready. You have to read the flow ng game para masustain yung lamang nyo.
Salvador floats it up and in.
Very creative si Salvador for a rookie. Talagang alam niya, magmamature pa itong bata na to eh. Marunong na humanap ng tira.
Delarama receives the cross-court pass. Quahao. Richo, double team. Richo. Oh.
Masyadong matagal niya pinasa yung bola.
Humihingi pa ng foul. Salvador for 3. Another one.
Mainit. Oo, very streaky itong bata na to.
3 out of 9 from beyond the arc for the young man, Sean Salvador.
Saka tignan mo yung release, Ton. Ang ganda. Oo, jump shooter.
So ito yung unang floater. At ito naman, yung 3 puntos ni Sean Salvador, ready to shoot. Delarama called.
Tsaka yung dating ng bola, Ton. Maganda na. Timing.
And Delarama actually running out of space there. Salvador. Salvador on the move. Sean Salvador is heating up.
Medyo nandito sa koponan ng San Sebastian Recoletos, nagkaka-breakdown. Medyo late yung recovery nila eh. Lalo-lalo na papunta kay Salvador, should be early.
The former Mapua Red Robin is making his presence felt. Quahao on the fadeaway. Yan ang kailangan. Quahao has to match what Salvador is doing.
Oo.
It's gonna be a shootout between the young guns. Sarmiento. Delarama. Gabat. And Gabat is able to draw a foul. Sean Salvador had a 15-point game. That was his best game so far in his young NCAA career, as we see this turnaround fadeaway by Ian Quahao.
Malaking factor ang free throws dito sa parehong koponan. Ito ang magdi-decide ng game nito later, yung after ng game, yung babalikan nila. I'm sure itong free throws nila.
I agree with that, Coach Jerry. Medyo masama ang free throw shooting ng magkaparehong koponan. 50% for JRU. And for San Sebastian, right now it's at 36.4%. Mababa, Coach.
Oh, masyado mababa.
Garupin. Peñaverde. 5 on the shot clock. Peñaverde bounce pass to Sarmiento. Oh no!
Ganda ng pasa ni Sarmiento doon.
Coach Rob Labagala wants to talk things over. His team is down by 4. I love the outfits. The denim jacket, the gold necklace, the earrings. Yan yung mga formahan, Coach. You know?
Cute.
Yeah.
Siyempre, pagkaganyan ng games.
Coach, during your time ba, minsan na-distract ka rin dahil sa mga the way the people are dressing in the crowd during your heyday?
Hindi, maraming sideshow talaga eh. Oo, pero wala. Back in the game kagad. Dapat balik ka kagad sa game.
Kasi sa panahon ngayon, di ba, Coach? Lalo na sa NBA, there are floor seats.
Oo.
So nakakausap ng mga fans yung
Oo.
players.
Yes, oo. Pero alam mo naman ng mga coaches, di ba? Pati mga ganyan. Maingat sila dyan sa mga distractions.
Lozano with the rebound. Garupin. Peñaverde. Peñaverde on the pull-up. Peñaverde.
Over the back. Lalo na pag you're trying to get the rebound, medyo out of position ka na, kadalasan talaga tinatawagan yun. Dapat talaga you have to go around the guy getting the rebound para hindi ka tawagan ng foul.
Coach, pagdating sa rebounding, dikit tayo San Sebastian with 29, GRU with 26.
Yes, parehong teams na to, pero parehong malalakas na mga rebounder. From Castor, Panapanaan, Delarama, lahat sila pasok ng pasok sa rebounding, pati si Lozano.
Delarama in and out on that shot.
Smart move. Stepping na si Panapanaan eh.
Lozano. Lozano over Gomez de Leaño. And Peñaverde comes up with a board. Lozano on the pull-up. And Delarama comes up with the rebound. Gabat. Castor. Gomez de Leaño for three. Would have been his first NCAA basket.
Gandang hustle ni Gabat dun, ha?
Gabat. Peñaverde. Lozano. Garupin. Short.
Ayaw magtuloy-tuloy ang shooting ng outside shooting ng Heavy Bombers.
Guajao. Delarama. Delarama up and under. Benitez with a power rebound. Lozano. 8 on the shot clock. Lozano with the basket plus the foul.
Ganda ng lulusot. Middle attack. He's so quick, agile. Talagang hindi na naka-react doon yung San Sebastian Studs eh.
And Coach, JRU has quietly established a 38-31 lead. Free throw coming right up. Sarap siguro ng feeling, no? Na balik kolehiyo, and then instead of going to class, nanood ka na lang ng basketball game. May extra points pa galing kay Prof.
Oo, masarap yan. Huwag ka lang makita ng bad parent mo na nanonood ka ng basketball.
May excuse naman usually yan, Coach, na pag nanood, may plus points from the Prof.
Yun ang masarap.
Yeah, mga naka-ID naman eh. So they're here on official business. Excused absences, Coach.
Yes, okay naman yan. Ano yan, big clearance.
For Justin Lozano.
Two minutes and 59 seconds remaining here in the third. Lozano with a bonus free throw.
Magzo-zone press na naman si Coach dito. Coach Nani Epondolan. Mukhang lalayo na siya rito. Hindi. Contain lang. Ayan. Half-court defense lang siya.
Biggest lead of the game for JRU. Wow. Throws it out. Castor. Garupil. Garupil on the sudden attack. Steven Garupil.
Ganda ron. Yun lang, medyo nagkakaproblema yung San Sebastian Stag sa on-the-ball defense nila. Medyo masyadong madali.
Steven Garupil has always been a confident and fearless player. Even when he was with Letran, naalala ko yung unang San Beda Letran game niya. Ano eh, nakalabas pa yung dila eh. Parang ngayon, no, lumabas ulit yung dila.
Isang dribble, no? Blow by agad. Too easy. Masyadong madali yun para sa, lalo na especially guard ka. Especially if you're guarding yung perimeter. Dapat medyo alam mong penetrator, medyo back down ka ng konti.
Yeah, he is more of a penetrating type of guard rather than an outside shooter. Delarama. Scramble for the loose ball. Delarama. And Cruz missing on the putback. Grabe yung talunan para sa bola, Coach.
Yes, ayaw ibigay ni ano. Castillo.
Oh, wild pass.
Medyo itong San Sebastian Stag, they're starting to trap. All corners, they trap.
Peñaverde. Lozano. Can he shoot? Yes, he can.
Ang tindi ng 3 points niya na yun.
Yes, he can.
May drive, may isolation, may post.
Castillo with the interception. Lozano, that was Lozano's 10th made triple of the season. 1 for 2 today. And na naman siya, Lozano. And Lozano shooting more, Coach, because of the zone defense of San Sebastian.
Talagang may green light yan para kay Coach Nani. Yan ang mga tipo ni Coach Nani na player.
Wala yung dalawang Sean. So, that light bulb in the head of Lozano just lit up.
Tsaka kahit wala si Salvador Ton, pero yung scoring cudgels, siyang pwede mong puntahan talaga.
De La Rama to Richo. Richo. Peñaverde comes up with a steal. Peñaverde fouled by Christian.
Masyadong tight yung handoff doon.
Sean Salvador coming in for Lozano. Coach Nani pleased with the contributions of Lozano as of late. Di maunahan, nagbabalik sa ating laro. Salvador and Lozano, coach, have combined for 25 points for JRU.
Yes. Talagang lang, medyo late lang talaga sila tumama, pero ayan na. Frame out, pero diretso.
Sean Salvador has taken 10 triples. 10 3-point attempts. He's made 3. But he's got the green light. Gabat. Polo Gabat. Di maunahan. Nepasena for 3. And that concludes the third period. The JRU Heavy Bombers with their biggest lead of the game. 44-32 as we head to the fourth. And he has 11 points, but 8 of those 11 points were scored in the third period, coach.
Ton, solid yung performance na yun. Mahirap hanapin sa isang player yung ganun. Especially, wala si Salvador beside him. Pero now, I think, pagsasabay na ni Coach ito pagdating sa fourth quarter ni Coach Nani. And to cut the bleeding, kailangan they have to find a way para istapin yung mga shooters ni Coach Nani Ipondolan.
Garupil sumubok mula sa labas. Short. De La Rama. Nepasena. De La Rama. And the foul away from the ball. Nagbabanggaan si Peñaverde at di maunahan.
Medyo pinofront si di maunahan doon eh. Hindi lang makita yung, hindi lang makapasa yun.
De La Rama swings it. Di maunahan. Wow! What a move by Di maunahan. Lead is cut down to 10. Let's hear from Christine San Agustin.
It is not the time or the place to doubt what you can do dahil kung naniniwala ang lahat ng coaches nyo na kaya nyong maipanalo ang larong ito, then there's no reason to give this game away just like that. Yan ang sabi ni Coach Nani sa JRU Heavy Bombers as he also reminded them of how crucial it is to remain agile and fast so they can execute their play well coming into the fourth quarter. Pinaalala ni Coach na kaya sila lumamang ay dahil dumipensa sila. Kaya naman pagdating ng fourth quarter, ang sabi niya lahat ng galaw ay magsisimula rin dito. Yan muna mula sa courtside, Anton and Coach Jerry.
Coach Nani Ipondolan, a former NCAA MVP back in season 77. He knows what it takes to win. At syempre ayaw niyang masayang yung 12-point lead na na-establish ng kanyang koponan.
Yes, correct. I'm sure. Ito na, very crucial na itong fourth quarter. I'm sure that you will do everything para to put premium on defense kasi yung offense nila nandun na eh. Tumama na yung mga scorers na Duque, Salvador, Lozano, Panapanaan. So, depensa na lang. Yun na lang ang siguro ang focus of attention niya.
Coach, you talked about distractions. Look at the JRU students. Pumwesto sa likod ng ring para ma-distract.
Oo.
Itong si Dimaunahan.
Mahirap din siyempre kay Coach Rob Labagala. Yung scorer niya, medyo talagang nafe-feel mo ngayon eh. Pagkawala nung paeng are, di ba? Na who is scoring around siguro, double digit din yan.
Salvador lets it fly. Air ball. Dimaunahan. Dimaunahan will head back to the free throw line. Let's see kung babalik yung mga students sa likod ng ring.
Second foul at number 27, Ayman Panapanaan. That's his fourth personal, team foul number 3. Shooting 2, Marcus Dimaunahan.
And there's the JRU Pep squad trying to distract Dimaunahan. Dimaunahan unfazed.
Parehong na-shoot ni Dimaunahan. Ang laking bagay dito. So, 6 points. They're down by 6. Malaking mahabang oras pa yan. 8 minutes. Dami pang possessions yan. You just have to make stops. One basket at a time.
Tumaas na yung free throw percentage ng San Sebastian. It's up to 52.6% now.
Yes.
It was around 30% earlier. Salvador. Salvador for 3. Another one.
Poise na poise yung itsura ni Salvador. Relax lang. Relax lang na pagka-scorer eh.
A career high for Sean Salvador. 17 points. And Salvador comes up with a rebound. Salvador. No good.
Medyo nanggigil si Salvador doon.
Gabat. Pinaurong yung depensa. Supalpal si De La Rama. Duque. Panapanaan. Lorenaria. Sarmiento. Sarmiento handoff to Duque. Duque from way out. Let's see if San Sebastian can find their offense. Ian Guajao is set to check back in. Nepasena. Dimaunahan. Cruz puts it up. And Cruz draws a foul.
Good read. Maganda yun. Alam niya na may foul. Tinira niya.
Second foul at number 5, Yuri Duque. That's his second personal, team foul number 4.
This was for the career high. Sean Salvador, 17 big points for the rookie.
Warning now, but it went to the JRU Heavy Bombers standing for the line. Or turn to set the take off.
Salvador is a name that we will be mentioning all throughout the season, as he's expected to be one of the key cogs of Coach Nani Apondulan moving forward.
Piece of a puzzle.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nasa transition year na tayo ng NCAA. Coach, ang dami sa mga players natin who are stars or rising stars are like 19-year-olds and 20-year-olds.
Yes, papata na ng papata ang mga gumagaling. Before kasi, there's this notion na parang pag mas may edad ka ng konti, matured ka ng konti, you play better, you shoot better. Parang yung decision making mo mas better. Pero ito, baliktad eh. Bata pa lang, kung score 20, 20 plus points. Tapos, hindi sila nahihiya. Hindi sila nag-hesitate tumira ng mga crucial shots. the likes of, ayan, yung mga players ng CSB Benil Blazers. Ang dami mga bata din doon. Very, very promising.
Panaparaan.
John T. Miller, no?
Yep, of San Beda.
No.
Yesterday, 14 points, 9 rebounds. John T is just 22 years old, coach.
Yeah.
Gabat. Duque. And that's going to be a foul on Gabat.
Ganda ng pagka-back-tip ni Panapanaan doon, no?
Justin Lozano for Alan Lovinania.
And nanggigil na masyado si Polo.
Oo, dapat.
Lucio for Marcus Monahan.
Salvador. Salvador changed his mind. Panapanaan. What a find.
Galing, ano? Patira na talaga si Salvador. Napitawan niya yung bola, buti na ipasa niya eh.
Number 3.
What a cut by Ivan Panapanaan.
For Ivan Panapanaan.
This guy never quits, Ton. Itong Panapanaan. In terms of rebounding, scoring, he's always there sa team ng Heavy Bombers. Mahasel na bata.
Risho. Wow. Missing.
Siya na naman.
Lozano. Sarmiento. Salvador. We have crossed the halfway point of the period. Salvador from way out. Oh my Lord.
Masyado ng malaki ang ring dito. Para kay Sean Salvador.
His 5th triple of the game. The 19-year-old is balling out. I don't know how many teenagers scored 20 in the NCAA, but Sean Salvador can add his name to that list. Marami pang bala, coach.
Marami. Hindi mauubusan yan.
His outside shooting in the second half has been ridiculous. Yes. Talk your ish. Sean Salvador.
Time at San Sebastian Golden Stands.
Timeout, San Sebastian. There is a new long-range bomber wearing the blue and the gold, and his name is Sean Salvador. Going on a scoring rampage today from the inside, from the outside. He has been unconscious. It is the Sean Salvador highlight reel. And all I can say is, sheesh!
Para tayong meron shooting clinic.
Look at those numbers. Stats all across the board. $14-point lead for JRU. Quahao. Floater. No. Dapat, coach, ang magmamatch sa opensa ni Sean, itong si Ian eh.
Yeah.
But, you know, Ian has had a quiet afternoon, coach, just 6 points.
Yes, hindi sila masyado nagsasabay sa court eh.
Oh, what a catch. What a catch and what a recovery by Christian Richo. Yun nga lang, sumabit.
Yes, nagkaroon ng miscommunication doon, especially yung screen sa underneath the basket, medyo naiwan doon, no? Kay Richo. They don't talk on defense.
Shooting 2, Vincent Nieto.
So again, if you just tuned in, a lot of main players from both sides unavailable today. No Sean Argente, serving a 1-game suspension. TJ Felebrico out under the weather. Lumanag also out under the weather. Paengare for reasons still to be revealed. But as you mentioned, Coach, pag may nawalang mga players, that presents opportunities for the younger guys.
Yes. A new superstar in the making. Ano na, superstar na. Ilang ano na yan, ilang games na yan. So he's always there for his team.
Oh, Gabat. Naagawan ng rookie. Salvador. And Salvador in and out dribble. Sean Salvador. Woo!
Another look away dribble. Akala ko i-freeze lang niya eh.
Napeke yung bantay, coach.
Oo.
You have to stay on your toes with this kid. De La Rama. Castor. And Castor sinks the 3.
Finally, para sa koponan ng Stags, may tumama din.
Kaya pala ang tapak ng Salvador, coach, kasi yung isang pangalan niya, Chauncey.
Oo.
Parang Chauncey Billups.
Another, ano din yan, legend player from Detroit.
Kaya number 1 din si Sean Salvador, just like Billups.
Timeout, JRU Heavy Bomber.
Coach Nani Apandulan calls a timeout. We still have 2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining here in the fourth. Let's take a look at this. Oh, wait a minute, coach. He's so good, the referees didn't see that.
Masyadong ano yun eh. Quick.
Well, you can't perfect it.
Mga Jordan Poole ng mga moves eh, no?
So Salvador checks out, Garupil and Lorenaria in. San Sebastian now switching up their defense.
Last 2 minutes.
Garupil. Lorenaria. And JRU, this second half and the second quarter has just gone their way, Coach.
Yes, wala na. Medyo, medyo bumigay na rito yung team ng San Sebastian. Medyo yung pressure nawala na. When bumalik sila they're playing a 1-2-2 zone now. Medyo, na lang, di na lang sila, they're trying to slow down yung JRU dito sa offense sila.
Garupil, even if he missed that shot, he took a lot of time off of the clock, Coach.
Yes, that's a good move. You have to manage the time. Sayang din eh. Kailangan you have to use the clock properly.
I like what Coach Nani Abundulan did here. Linabas niya si Sean and the other guard. Brought in Garupil and Lorenaria, who are guards that are better in terms of attacking the basket and holding the ball.
Yes, kailangan may manage yung time eh. Lalo-lalo na. Yung San Sebastian, hindi basta-basta nag-give up yan. Pero at this stage, medyo parang malabo na.
Traveling violation.
I'm sure maraming titignan dito si Coach Rob Labagala in terms of his mga rotation.
De La Rama. De Pacena with a jumper. What a win this is going to be for JRU. Para silang bomba na inantay muna yung timer maubos bago sumabog.
At the end of the ball game, the final score, the San Sebastian Golden Sands 46.
At eto na nga, it is official. The JRU Heavy Bombers win against their Group A opponent, San Sebastian, behind the 22 points of Sean Chauncey Salvador. He had a game. We will listen to the alma mater hymns and have some post-game interviews. Don't go away.
Sa amin isip
JRU wins in our first crossover matchup as they defeat San Sebastian 59-46 in possibly their only meeting here in NCAA Season 101. We'll take a break and we'll be back on Heart of Asia after a few reminders.